I have a tin strainer in it, made out of galvanized tin. I cut all of my own strainers. I'll show you how to cut one too. Underneath here, there's a little bit of a groove where the stirrup leather lays in there. I come in here with a little flare or magic marker and put a little dot there, and that helps me to figure out where I want to set the strainer. So I've got a little mark up there, and something to keep in mind that you want at least 3/8 of an inch clearance at the back so your stirrup leathers can go around the tree. This will be cupped up a little bit like that. It'll be sitting on top of the front rigging right here. And then it'll have holes and be secured with shingle nails. The groundwork that goes over that after it's put in, there'll be 4 layers of groundwork. Actually, I start with these, what I call eyebrow pieces on each side. Then I'll have a first layer, a second layer of groundwork, a third, and then a final layer. Each layer will be shaved down. The idea is to keep it scooped out as much as possible and have the pocket right in the middle, right in here. You just have a good place to sit so you'll be balanced when you're riding your saddle. This is the piece that goes on the back of the cantle. This saddle will have a Cheaney roll. It'd be short, like 1 1/4 inches. But that's the piece that goes across the back and then it's turned down. This is the cantle binding. That will work on this saddle. Some saddles I've seen or dealt with that have a peculiar dish or the way the cantle's set on there, sometimes you might need a cantle with a little more arch in it right out in this area. But this particular binding will work on this saddle. I can pretty well tell. I'm going to make a little bit of an adjustment here in the front. That will probably be closer to 2 inches from the tip of the skirt to the front of the bar right there. Okay, underneath here, this point right here to the tip of the skirt will be 5 1/4 approximately. And it's going to be the same in the back. Just about 5 1/4 in the back too. Here's the brass hardware for the front. That will sit in there like that. While I'm down here, I'm going to check the skirt, the plate rigging liner. This will also be cut out of saddle skirting. See, I don't want it to go up too high because it's going to need to be shaved a little bit so it'll lay down flat against the tree. So that gives you some kind of idea of the plate rigging and how the pattern looks. Now I'll show you some more patterns.